Welcome to Impact Info Hub. What if I told you the closest planets to the Sun are also the most extreme? One burns in silence, the other traps heat like a prison. Today, we explore Mercury and Venus, the closest planets to our Sun. Let us begin with Mercury. Mercury is a very tiny planet moving around the Sun, as you can see from the screen. It is the closest planet to the Sun, but surprisingly, it is not the hottest. During the day, temperatures can reach over 430 degrees Celsius, but at night, it drops to minus 180 degrees Celsius. This is because Mercury has almost no atmosphere. There is nothing to trap heat. A single day on Mercury lasts about 176 Earth days. That means sunrise to sunrise takes nearly half a year. Mercury is also very small. It is only slightly larger than our moon. Its surface is covered with craters, just like the moon. And it moves incredibly fast, orbiting the sun in just 88 days. A year on Mercury is shorter than 3 months on Earth. But now, let us move to a planet that's far more dangerous. This is Venus. At first glance, Venus looks similar to Earth. It is almost the same size and often called Earth's twin. But in reality, Venus is a nightmare. Its atmosphere is extremely thick, made mostly of carbon dioxide. This creates a powerful greenhouse effect. It cannot escape. As a result, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Surface temperatures reach around 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The pressure on Venus is over 9 times that of Earth. Standing there would crush you instantly, and its clouds are made of sulfuric acid. Even more strange, Venus rotates backwards. The sun rises in the west and sets in the east, and one day on Venus is longer than its year. Mercury and Venus, two neighboring planets, yet completely different worlds. One is silent and other frozen at night. The solar is burning all the time. In our next episode, we move further out to explore another fascinating planet. Stay curious, stay learning. This is Impact Info Hub.